Hello, yogis. I'm so happy to be here with all of you, sharing my passion for yoga. And let me just start by introducing myself. My name is Paola. I am a mother of four, a wife. I am based out of South Florida. I've been practicing for 6 years. So I started my yoga journey a little late. I started my yoga journey at 41. I just turned 47. I've been teaching for 5 years. And I honestly believe that it's never too late to start practicing yoga. Yoga is for all body types, for all ages. So there's no reason why you shouldn't be doing yoga. So I have a background in dance. I actually did ballet for 11 years. From the age of 6 to 17. So that's the reason why when I started yoga, I was already a little flexible. However, most of my flexibility I got from doing yoga. And I believe the reason why I'm so passionate about movement is because of my dance background. So you can expect in my classes to move with ease, connecting body, mind, and breath. So if you're looking to get stronger, to lose weight, to get more flexible, to find a deeper connection with your inner self, to tap into your strong self, which most of us don't even know that is there, definitely my class is for you. I'm looking forward to seeing you all in my class. So my class is for everyone, from beginners to advanced. I want everyone to benefit and enjoy all my classes. So everyone is welcome. Hope to see you all soon. Have a beautiful and an amazing day. Namaste.